Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So today I have a different type of video for you guys. It's not a makeup tutorial or a first impressions. Today I have a review on the new Erin Condren planner, life planner 2018. I've been waiting for this planner to order it for quite a while because I was debating whether I wanted to order it or whether I didn't, but I wind up ordering the planner. The first time that I ordered it and then I checked my order confirmation and it said that it was on its way soon, and I looked at the description and I by accident ordered the small one and I really wanted the big one. So I have two planners because I had to order the big one because the small one is too small for me because I tend to write a lot of things in my planner and I thought it was too little for me, so I ordered the big one. So I have two Erin Condren planners. I'll probably give one of them to my mom because she doesn't really mind the fact that I got my name engraved on it. That doesn't bother her. So I couldn't give it away in a giveaway because it has my name on it. So that's that. So I'm gonna do a box opening with you guys for the Erin Condren planner, and I also ordered some planner things off of Amazon, like washi tapes and stuff like that, which I'm still waiting for one more package, so I'll just show you guys what I picked up. So if you want to see what I got in this video, then just keep on watching. So this is the packaging. And I'm guessing that this is the large one because it's in a much bigger box than the other one. So I'm cutting this open. Comes like this. It has two postcards in it. One says you are entirely up to you, and it's kind of a postcard that you could use. The other thing is like a gift sticker that says to and from, and it says enjoy. So let's open up this planner. So I purchased the large one, like I said, and this is the hardwork one. It has my name engraved on it also, and it looks pretty nice. In the front, it has the logo for Erin Condren, and it has like cheetah print is what it looks like to me, and I could put my name on it. The first sheet says do all that you can and all that you thought you could not, which is a good quote, and the other one says a little progress each day adds to big results. And this is how the layout looks for 1 month. And there also are weekly spreads, which is good because I write a lot of things in my planner, like when I need to pay bills and stuff like that. And this planner goes all the way to the end of the month of December, and there's some note sheets in the back and also an overview of the next coming year calendar. And the back page also has a quote. It says, "Your best accomplishments isn't that you finish, it's that you had the courage to start." So that's how it is. So the whole thing is black and gold, which I kind of like, and I like that it's hard covered. So I'll probably do a video also on planning, like how I create my pages on my planning. Like I just started getting into doing that a couple of maybe months ago, so I'm still starting with that, but I can also do a video with you guys for that if anybody wants to see how you do your layouts for your monthly spreads or your weekly spreads. I'll be happy to do that. Just leave a comment down below and let me know that that's what you want to see. So my other one is in a purple box, and I believe it's the small one that I ordered by accident. So we're opening this up. It has the same two little postcards inside. Yeah. And this is my small one. So, like I said, I'll probably give it to my mom because it has my name on it. And I don't think I would give that out to anybody watching my channel or as a giveaway with my name on it. Just because that's like kind of weird. So, that's that. And then I have one more package, which is probably some of my washi tapes and stuff that I ordered. Yeah, this is one of my washi tapes that I ordered for my planner. And I also ordered some decorative fine line color pen for me to write in my planner, just because I like to have color. I'm weird like that. Like I need like colors and prints and stuff like that. Like black and white is just boring to me. If anybody knows how that feels, then you know what I mean. So I got these two things, and I got this from Amazon, like I said, on Amazon. I also ordered one more thing from Amazon, but it hasn't come in yet. And I also ordered some planner stuff from Belinda Celine, which is a YouTuber on here, and she has a sticker shop. I ordered some stuff from her, and I also ordered some stuff from another shop called Sweet Kawaii, which is another person that's a YouTuber that also does planning. I ordered some stickers from her as well. So I'm still waiting for that to come in the mail. But this is some of the things that I got in the mail today that I ordered for my planner, and I just wanted to do a first impressions unboxing with you for the Erin Condren planner, in case there's someone out there who wants to get it but they're still kind of debating to get it. I think that is a good choice and you should buy it. And I believe it was like $30 or $35 or something of that sort. It was not $40, it was less than $40. Just can't remember the exact price. So that's it.